Hey everyone, today we are going to see what is Claude Code and how you can install and run it inside your VS Code in Windows 11. The first question is, what is Claude Code and why we need it? The Claude Code is a powerful AI coding assistant developed by Anthropic's AI. It is a CLI tool that runs in your terminal unlike other AI coding tools. And you can use this tool to create entire projects from scratch, or you can use this tool to analyze your entire projects or the part of the projects in order to perform actions like writing the code, fixing the bugs in your code, testing your code, running commands, committing, and even creating pull requests. It will always ask for your permission to perform these actions. Now let's see how we can install the Claude Code inside VS Code. For this you have to open your browser and in the search bar you have to type here Claude Code in VS Code. After that you have to go on this web page called Visual Studio Marketplace. Just right click on it, open link in the new tab. After that go here. Here you can see the Claude Code for VS Code and it's free. It means the extension is only free, but in order to use this tool you have to pay the price. And before installing the Claude Code extension for VS Code, first thing we have to install the Claude Code separately from this website. So just right click here, open link in a new tab. After that go there. And this is an official Anthropic website. Here we can install the Claude Code. You just have to go down, and to install the Claude Code we have to use this command. But in order to use this command you must first have to install the Node.js 18 or plus. If you don't have it in your system, just right click on this link and open link in a new tab. After that go into the node.js website, and to install it, here first you have to choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, and here you have to choose the architecture. I'm using the x64 architecture, and after that you have to simply click on this green button and it will automatically start the download here. After completing the download you have to simply click on this file. It will open the installer for you. Here you have to wait a little bit while the setup wizard prepares the files for you. After that you have to click on next. Here you have to accept the agreements. Click on next. I'm going to install it in the default location in program file. Simply click on next. Click on next. Here again click on next and click on install. And now it will take few seconds to complete this setup. Still few more seconds. Next, after the complete installation you have to click on finish. Next, in order to verify the installation you have to press the Windows key and type cmd, open your command prompt, and inside the command prompt you have to type node space -v and press enter. We have the version 22.19.0. Next we have to verify is npm command working properly. For this you have to type your npm space -v and press enter, and here you can see that we have the npm version 10.9.3. And now to install the Claude Code, go back on this website from the Anthropic. Now copy this command simply from by clicking here, and now open your terminal and paste this command here and press enter. It will again take few minutes to complete this process. And after the successful installation you will see this kind of message, added to package in 5 minutes. And next, in the last, we just have to install the Claude extension inside the VS Code. For this you have to go inside this link, simply click on install, click on open Visual Studio Code. Now it will open the VS Code for you, and now it will navigate you to the Claude Code for VS Code. Simply click on install. Here click on trust publisher and install. Now it is installing the Claude Code extension. It is installed successfully. Here you can see, and now this is my project and I have some files here. In order to run this tool you have to open the terminal. Simply click here, new terminal, and now to use this Claude inside your terminal you have to simply type Claude and press enter. Here you can see the message from the Claude, welcome to Claude, and the first thing we have to choose the text style theme, like how the text should look like inside our terminal. Here you can see the list of the different themes. Either you can use it in dark mode, light mode, or other modes. And here in the preview you can see how your terminal should look like in these different modes. In the dark mode it should be look like this, in the light mode it should be look like this, and after selecting your preferred mode you can simply press enter. And next, to use the Claude Code we must first have to log in, and here you can see that we have two different login methods. in the first one you have to create the Claude account and you have to buy the subscription, and here they have different subscription options like Pro, Max, Team or the Enterprise version, and you can use any one of these according to your needs. And in the second option called Anthropic Console Output, here they will give you the API and you will be charged according to how much requests you are sending to this API. So I am good with the second option. So after choosing your options, you have to simply press enter. Now it will open the Anthropic web page inside the browser. Here if you already have an Claude account, so you have to sign in by giving your email address here. In case if you don't have any account, so the first thing you have to create a developer account in order to build with the Anthropic API system. You can either create a new account by giving your personal or working email here, or either you can also use your Google account. So I'm going to use my Google account, so I will click here continue with Google, and here I have to choose my account, and here I have to click on continue, and next here you have to write your full name, and here you have to choose what they will call you, and here you have to check this box you are 18 years older or more, and now click on continue. Here you have to choose what type of account you want. Either you can choose the individual account or the organization account. If you are working alone, then you have to choose the individual account. If you are collaborating with someone, then the organization account is best for you. So I'm going to choose the individual one, and here in order to connect the Claude account we have to authorize it. Just click on authorize. And here before using the Claude Code we must have to buy the credits of around $5, and these credits are consumed by usage in the IP and console. Here you have to put your card information, and here you have to put your billing address. After completing the information you have to click on buy USD5 of credits. Right now I am not going to buy this Claude account. Next, if I go back inside my VS Code, here you can see that we have successfully logged in. Now in order to use this tool you have to simply press enter, and here you can also go through the security notes. For the next step please press enter again, and here you have to do the settings for the terminal setup. Either you can use the recommended settings from the Claude Code, or you can do the settings later for the terminal setup. So I am going to use the recommended settings. Simply press enter, and now here it is asking for the license thing. Simply click on yes, proceed, press enter, and here you can see the Claude prompt. Now if I type something inside prompt, it will automatically take my project as a reference and it will do the changes inside my project. For example, I will simply write create the nav bar for my web page, and if I press enter, now here you can see that because I have no credits right now inside my account, so credit balance too low. We must first have to buy the credits and then we can use this terminal in order to perform the actions. So this is how you can install and use the Claude Code inside the VS Code. This is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.